Good morning, everyone. It's been a little while. Can you guess where I am? That should give us away. Those bloody people have been stood there for hours. They've never moved hardly. And why is that? It's because they can't move. They're those iron, I don't think they're bronze, I think they're iron figures. Iron sculptures. So we are at Crosby in Liverpool. Alright then, la. Don't. Hey. Yes, we're in Liverpool. Don't know what that building is over there. It looks like a bloody aeroplane or a rocket or something. But Jack's having his second walk of the day, so he's reasonably happy. Looks like the Coast Guard out there. I guess that over there is Birkenhead, for a guess. There's a bloody dingy tower there. So there's a lot happening here. Plus it's a lovely beach by the looks of it, more or less. Anyway, it's a long sandy, well, you know, it's not the nicest beach, but it's certainly not the worst beach. Windmills out to sea. Yes, it's very windy, so my apologies again. Where is the dog? There's the dog. Just wandering up to the figure to have a closer look. Forgive me again if it's somewhat windy. We do our best. Boats out to sea. Here's the figure. Ooh, it's got pair of buttons. Presume it's a man. He's stuck. He's stuck. Get him that way. Oh, so Jack decides to do the business. Get out of it, you dirty ham. Oh, he has got a willy. Yeah. There he is. And these are all over the beach. 100 figures apparently. You can see them right down there. I think they're great myself. There's one buddy right next to the sea, look. And there's somebody else who's right next to the sea. What do you think of the artwork? Looks kind of good set against the sun, doesn't it? So yeah, we sort of went Fleetwood and Morecambe and I can't. Anyway, I didn't think a lot of these West Coast beaches so far. This, in my humble opinion, has been the nicest. Pretty unspectacular. But we'll have a walk down there and see what's what. There's another figure. Jack's looking, you know, like he's enjoying himself. Oh yeah. Yeah. Rolf, speak. But anyway, we'll walk over to this other one. Tower block up there. Liverpool docks. So are we? We must be near the old Dockland. I don't know. I guess that must be Liverpool itself then. Over yonder. Because obviously we're not far away. Not sure what the watchtower's for. Is it presumably for Liverpool Airport? I don't know. Just guessing. I'll go and ask this man what he thinks. Jack's going to ask him as well. Oh, they're lovely though. Excuse me? Hello? You could at least say something. Jack, will you stop doing that? Yeah. Who are you? Who do you think you're talking to? Small guy. They're not very big, but they're lovely. So far they seem to be all males. There you go. Ship's coming in. Okay. Bye for now.